Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. And this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Believe it or not, no, this is not a radio. It's not a transmitter. It's not even an antenna, but it is electronic. This comes from Ironsnow. Those people that send me emergency radios to review. They sent this to me. It's an electric tricycle. Right now it's folded up so that you can put it in your vehicle and take it to a park or something. Use it to go exploring and take your radio with you. I'm going to see if I can unlock it here and show it to you. Gotta remember which button and what I push. Okay, this button here, and then we put it straight. And there she goes. I'm still getting used to it. There it is. One wheel in the back, two in the front. Unlike the old style tricycles, which had one wheel in the front, big one, and two big wheels in the back. This has smaller wheels, has 3 seats, passenger seat here, driver seat here, and then it has a third seat that I did not install for a child, right up in front of an adult. Has disc brakes on the front and both front wheels. Has a display and control box right here. You can see the distance you've gone, how much power is left in the batteries, and their speed. Has 2 batteries, one here, one there. You use one at a time. It gives you about a 40-mile range if you charge both of those batteries. It has suspension coils right here. It has 2 modes. You can have so the wheels work more freely, and you can turn faster, and you can go over rocks. The old fogies mode, which is my mode, is you leave that locked and then it's more stable. Disc brake handles right here, light on the front, and a horn. Well, a beeper. Pretty cool. Here's the bars where you put your feet on each side. These are the little things that fold down for the passenger to put his feet, again on both sides. Nice padded seat. What else do I want to say? This is awesome. The chassis, the frame is heavy duty. Really heavy duty. I think that's, it has a third wheel right here. When it's folded up, that lets you move it around much easier. Pretty nice. I think I'm going to have some interesting rides with this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.